If you've ever tried making buns and it didn't come out right, this recipe will fix that. It's simple, flexible, and gives you that perfect soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside feel. I'm not even joking. Once you make these buns, you won't stop eating them because they're so delicious and addictive. Let's get started. To your bowl, add 3 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of powdered milk, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix this properly. You're going to mix this properly till everything is well combined. So make a little well. Then add your margarine. This is 3 tablespoons. You can use butter. And here is 1 egg, which I just whisked. I'll use my hands and mix this properly till it's well combined. Make sure to combine properly till you can see no bits and pieces of butter. So make a well in the middle and add your egg. Then add water. I started with 1 cup of water and go on ahead and mix. So mix this carefully. I'm going to keep adding the water bit by bit. I'm not going to add the water all at once, okay? So I'll add a bit more water till it starts to come together. So mix this. It needs a bit more water, so I added a bit more and mixed. If you notice, I didn't add my water all at once. I'll say add your water bit by bit till you get the consistency you need. For me, this is how I want mine. I want it like this texture. But if you want the kind of a rock hard buns, you might want to reduce the water you add to your buns if you want that really crunchy rock hard type of buns. So this is enough. This much water is enough, and go ahead and just mix it like this. So I'll wash my hands and show you how to drop this in the oil. So you make sure you're using wet hands, and then you scoop like this and press it down. Let me show you again. So you take some like this, use your thumb and the 3rd finger and press it down. Press it down like this. You might not get it at first, but when you keep on doing it, you'll get it. So make sure your oil is hot and you start dropping your buns in. Also, you know you're getting it right when after dropping in the oil, after about 5 to 10 seconds, the buns come up the oil. But if you drop it in the oil and it sinks and it just stays down, you know that your oil is not hot enough. And if you drop it in the oil and it comes up the oil immediately and it starts getting really brown, then your oil is too hot. It's going to get fried on the outside and brown on the outside, but inside is going to be raw and uncooked. So go ahead and fry this and turn within intervals so the other side is well fried. And when it's golden brown to your preference, you can go ahead and take it all out of the oil and place in paper towels to strain out all the excess oil. And that's it. This buns is so delicious. It's so good. It's soft, really soft on the inside, and it has this crispy, crunchy feel on the outside, and it's so delicious. What would you pair these yummy buns with? Leave that in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!